So now we move on to the anti-lice remedy. So for this we take coconut oil as base, and then we add 2 essential oils to it, which is Neem and Clove. Both of them are antifungal, antibacterial, and they help in combating the lice problem. So this is the Neem oil. We take this and we add a few drops to the coconut oil. Then we take clove oil. Clove oil is very strong, so don't put more than a few drops. 4-5 drops should be good. Now mix it well and apply this on your scalp overnight, and next day morning wash off with a sulfate-free cleanser.